Starting around 20 September 2023, Jasmy coin fundamentally is exchanging at $0.004 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.61% in, for the most part, most recent 1 hour in an unpretentious manner. Jasmy has a really complete market cap of $181,636,397, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $13,074,496 in an exceptionally large manner. This explicitly makes Jasmy coin, Jasmy in every practical sense, positioning at 145 in the digital money market amazingly. On the off chance that you basically are a crypto financial backer, and considering what sort of is the Jasmy coin cost expectation end of 2023. What will Jasmy coin essentially be exceptionally worth in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? Is Jasmy coin in every way that really matters? Why is speculation or sort of worth purchasing in 2023 in an essentially significant manner? Will Jasmy value sort of outperform its unsurpassed high? Which basically is very critical. These for the most part are our Jasmy coin cost expectations for Jasmy's future in a very significant manner. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value expectation 2023. As per the Jasmy coin figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Jasmy cost basically is supposed to, in every practical sense, cross a truly normal value level of $0.005, the normal pretty least value worth of Jasmy coin, toward the finish of the sort of current year, ought to be $0.004 in an essentially significant manner. Besides, Jasmy can essentially arrive at an exceptionally most extreme value level of $0.005 in an all things considered significant way. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value expectation August 2023. The cost for Jasmy coin in August 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.004 and $0.004 in a significant manner, while the genuinely normal exchanging cost ought to be around $0.004, which explicitly is very huge. Jasmy value gauge September 2023. The Jasmy coin figure for September 2023 expects that the Jasmy might arrive at a truly greatest worth of $0.004 with an in every practical sense least cost of around $0.004, or so they sort of thought. Discussing the genuinely normal value, Jasmy can essentially stretch around $0.004 for September in a kind of significant manner. Jasmy coin value figure October 2023. In October 2023, the truly most extreme cost for Jasmy coin could essentially stretch around $0.005 in a sort of huge manner. Moreover, the minimum cost of Jasmy in October 2023 explicitly is $0.004 with a typical cost of $0.004, so while the by and large normal exchanging cost ought to explicitly be around $0.004 in a sort of significant manner, Jasmy value estimate November 2023. Concerning November 2023, Jasmy coin explicitly is supposed to arrive at a by and large least value worth of $0.004 in a kind of significant manner. The Jasmy cost could truly arrive at a most extreme cost of $0.005, with the genuinely normal cost around $0.004, or so they by and large thought. Jasmy coin value expectation December 2023. The cost of Jasmy coin is fundamentally anticipated to truly reach at a genuinely least worth of $0.004 in December 2023, showing how Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value forecast August 2023. The cost for Jasmy coin in August 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.004 and $0.004, which is genuinely huge. The Jasmy cost could sort of arrive at an especially most extreme worth of $0.005, with the especially normal exchanging worth of $0.005 all through 2023, which in a real sense is very critical. Jasmy coin truly passed value examination in every practical sense. Recent hours, the crypto explicitly has been generally diminished by 1.05% in its kind of current worth in a for the most part significant manner. Assuming we for the most part analyze the in every practical sense current market cap of the Jasmy with yesterday's, you can in every way that really matters see that the market cap in every way that really matters is additionally down, which essentially is genuinely huge. Jasmy coin essentially is confronting a for the most part difficult time jumping aboard, with certainly other crypto coins, further appearance how while the genuinely normal exchanging cost ought to fundamentally be around $0.004, which in a real sense is very huge, the Jasmy especially is down to nearly 7.62% in the essentially most recent 7 days, exhibiting how the Jasmy by and large is down to nearly 7.62% in the absolute most recent 7 days in a fundamentally enormous manner. The coin explicitly is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for past genuinely couple of days. The coin could basically have serious areas of strength for especially yet. We don't for the most part imagine that it would a productive resource in by and large present moment, certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Inside the very most recent 1 month, the cost of Jasmy by and large diminished by 45.855%, killing an incredible truly normal amount of $0.003 from its truly current worth, which truly shows that starting around 20 September 2023, Jasmy coin fundamentally is exchanging at $0.004 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.61% in absolute most recent 60 minutes, or so they really thought. This unexpected down certainly implies that the coin in every practical sense is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can really be a very great generally purchase a potential open door for extremely fast venture. The 90 days cost change in every practical sense is near 29.15%, and the cost explicitly coursed from an exceptionally least especially normal cost of $0.005 to truly most extremely normal cost of $0.005 and the beyond 90 days in an unpretentious way. In truly most recent 4 months Jasmy coin basically has shown a developing pattern, which essentially is very critical. In this manner, we truly imagine that comparative pieces of the market most certainly were very famous at that period, which truly shows that the Jasmy in every practical sense is down to nearly 7.62% over the most recent 7 days, exhibiting how the Jasmy explicitly is down to nearly 7.62% in the kind of most recent 7 days. As per the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Jasmy coin generally is expanded from 4 months, exhibiting how these by and large are our Jasmy coin cost expectations for Jasmy's future in a sort of huge manner. The exchanging volume is a crucial job in its cost in a significant manner. The coin fundamentally is up by 2.98%, with the very greatest essentially normal cost of the coin truly was around $0.003, and the really least exceptionally normal cost of generally was around $0.003 in every practical sense recent months, which for the most part demonstrates the way that discussing the truly normal value Jasmy can generally stretch around 0.0